in New Jersey, Middlesex, Western Monmouth, and Eastern Monmouth. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a winter storm warning for snow, which is in effect until 6 a.m. Thursday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Accumulations, 4 to 8 inches of snow. Timing, snow may mix with rain at times. There will be a period of heavier snow through this evening. Lingering light snow and rain are anticipated late tonight. Impacts, temperatures near the freezing mark and higher snowfall rates are resulting in snow covered and slippery roadways. In addition, the wet snow sticking to all surfaces is knocking down some tree limbs and power lines. This is leading renewed power outages across the region. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring. Strong winds are also possible. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible.